Welcome to Getting Started with Kubernetes, Container Orchestration. Are you a developer, DevOps engineer, or IT professional looking to streamline your application deployments and management? Then this video is for you. We'll demystify Kubernetes and provide a beginner-friendly guide to mastering this powerful platform. By the end, you'll understand its core concepts and be ready to deploy your first application. Let's start with the basics. Kubernetes, often abbreviated as K8s, is an open-source system for automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. At its heart, Kubernetes is a container orchestration platform. Think of it as a conductor for your application containers, ensuring they run efficiently, scale as needed, and recover from failures automatically. Why has Kubernetes become so popular? It offers unparalleled benefits like automated deployment, self-healing capabilities, easy scaling, and efficient resource utilization, making it a cornerstone for modern cloud-native applications. Before we dive deeper, let's establish some fundamental concepts that form the backbone of Kubernetes. First, pods. A pod is the smallest deployable unit in Kubernetes. It represents a single instance of a running process in your cluster, often containing one or more containers. Next, nodes. A node is a worker machine in Kubernetes, which can be a virtual or physical machine. Pods are deployed onto nodes to run your applications. Deployments manage the desired state of your application. They ensure a specified number of pod replicas are running and handle updates and rollbacks gracefully. Services provide a stable network endpoint for your pods. They allow internal and external access to your applications, even as pods come and go. Ready to get hands-on? Let's prepare your local environment for Kubernetes. For local development, we recommend installing Minikube or Docker Desktop with Kubernetes enabled. Both provide a lightweight Kubernetes cluster on your machine. Once installed, you'll interact with Kubernetes using --kubectl, the command line tool. We'll cover some basic commands to get you started. Now for the exciting part, deploying your very first application on Kubernetes. We'll create a simple Nginx web server deployment using a YAML manifest, which defines your desired application state. After deploying, we'll expose the Nginx deployment with a service, making it accessible from your browser. One of Kubernetes' most powerful features is scaling. We'll show you how to effortlessly scale your Nginx deployment up and down based on demand. Congratulations on your first Kubernetes deployment, but this is just the beginning of your journey. Consider exploring more advanced concepts like stateful sets, config maps, secrets, and ingress to truly master Kubernetes. For further learning, check out the official Kubernetes documentation, online courses, and community forums. The Kubernetes ecosystem is vast and supportive. We've covered the essentials of getting started with Kubernetes, from core concepts to your first deployment. Remember, pods are the smallest units, nodes are where they run, deployments manage replicas, and services expose your apps. You now have the foundational knowledge to begin your Kubernetes journey. Don't just watch, start building. Download Minikube or Docker Desktop, try the examples, and explore. The world of container orchestration awaits you. Subscribe to Dezlearn for more Autobites.